Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can actually add your date with a shortcut key. At the same time, how you can dynamically change your date whenever you open your Excel worksheet. Right, so let's go with the first one. As you can see, there's a shortcut. So instead of you typing here your date, which is like 6/6/6/2019, instead of typing this, there's a shortcut key you can actually use, which is the first one, Ctrl and semicolon. So press together, Ctrl and semicolon. Let me delete this one. Okay, together. Yep, it's done. Alright, Ctrl and semicolon together. Done. So this is the one method that you can save your time while entering the current date. Okay. For current time, you need to press Ctrl Shift and semicolon. Ctrl Shift semicolon. There you see, there's a time here. Alright. Okay, so now you have date and time, which is so-called input, just an input. There's no function, so this will not change whenever you open your Excel sheet. But if you want to change the date whenever you open your Excel sheet, over here you can choose equal today open bracket. So let's say here use this daily report date equal today and then open bracket. Then you just press enter. Okay. Yep. So if you open this Excel again tomorrow, this date will change to 9th of June 2019. Yep. So you can see that this is the function. So the shortcut is just today with open bracket. The actual one is this. Yeah. Right. So let's move on to the next last one, which is the entering the date and time dynamically. So over here I delete by equal now. So this will add in date and time. Oh, doesn't work. Okay, because previously the function is still recorded here, so you need to clear this cell, reformat the cell by right click, format cell, general. Okay, so just try again, equal now, open bracket, press enter. There you go. So you can see the date and the time. All right, so hope this helped you to quicken up your working on Excel. Yep, that's it.